Hey there, friend! Can you guess the animals by their sounds? It might not be as simple as you think. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more quizzes like this. Let's get started. Pay close attention. You recognized this sound, right? Yes, it's a cat's purring. Did you recognize this sound? Capuchin. What could this be? Easy question. It's a pigeon. I'm sure you know this. Donkey. This one was a bit trickier. The answer is raven. Beautiful sound. Did you recognize it? Cuckoo. This was a tricky one. The correct answer is goose. Did you know? Another easy one. Elephant. Phew, that's gross. But what could it be? Yes, it's the cockroach. Which animal's sound is this? Oh yes, it's a bear. It loves water, but which animal is it? Sea lion. Tricky question, be careful. The correct answer is raccoon. We're back in Bugsville. Does this sound familiar? Cricket. Oh, I'd recognize this sound anywhere. You too? Wasp. I'm certain this is a monkey sound. But which one? It's the gorilla. I know this sound is familiar. Dolphin. Did you know too? Which bug do we hear? It's a cute bee. Easy question. The correct answer is frog. What could this sound be? Insect. Ugh. And another easy question. Woodpecker. Do you know this one? The correct answer is a hawk. What do you think? Which animal's sound is this? It's the leopard. This sound is unmistakable. Yes, it's the snake. Off to the poultry yard. Which is the correct answer? Rooster. Another bird sound. But which bird? It's the crow. Halftime. A short break. Don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes. Let me help you. It definitely has 4 legs. The correct answer is wolf. Which bird could this be? Yes, it's the eagle. I've heard this sound before. Which animal's sound is it? Sheep. This sound is hilarious. Yes, it's the turkey's sound. This one's easy. The correct answer is cat. I love it. He's the greatest of all time. The goat. Familiar with this high-pitched sound, right? The answer is the bat. Which bird's sound have you heard? Peacock. Let me help. The animal is in the water and loves big jumps. Yes, it's the whale. I'm sure this is a monkey sound. Which one? Chimpanzee. A powerful, majestic sound. It's the lion's roar. Can you guess the animal by its sound?
Pig.
Which bird's sound is this? Owl. It's a beautiful bird. OMG! This animal is awesome. It is a tiger. Oh, another easy question. You need those extra points. Yes, it's the dog. But do you recognize this insect? Mosquito. Ugh, I don't like its sound. This is a beautiful animal's sound. Yes, the correct answer is moose. Do you recognize this bird? Parrot. This is the sound of a tiny rodent, but which one? It's the mouse. Which animal could this be? Lemur. How are you doing with the points? Hang in there, just 5 questions left. Horse. Easy. Do you know which animal sound this is? Chicken. And this one. Did you guess it? It's the cow's sound. This one's funny. One of my favorites. Seal. A straightforward question to finish. Yes, it's the hyena's sound. And that's a wrap. I hope you had a good time. How many points did you score? Above 45 points. Lion, king of the animal kingdom. Nothing can stop you. 35 to 45 points. Gorilla, strong, intelligent, knows no bounds. 25 to 34 points. Sloth, doesn't care about the results, prefers to take a nap. 0 to 24 points. Kitty, a cute, fluffy ball of fur with more to learn. If you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe for more quizzes.